Explain me the game and the object.
Are you recording?
Yeah. We just want to understand what you're doing. I've never seen that before. That's my first time seeing that.
It's like you just kind of, it's like a ball, right? You just catch it in the cup, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
You can do whatever you want, like you get creative. Right here. That.
Wow.
Are you doing BJ or
Could
just
do a double. Oh, I missed it.
Okay, what is the name of the? What is the name of the?
Kendama.
Kendama. You spell it?
Kendama.
Interesting.
You can go in.
Was that Lome? Interesting?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Interesting. Why do you guys think that is interesting? Kendama.
Because when I did it, it was hard.
So it's challenging.
That's a bad explanation.
It's challenging, right?
Yeah, no,
right.
I don't know why you guys say this.
It is for us, but not for you. It what? When I did it still.
I can do it better.
That's a spike.
I'm the best one that can do it.
Oh, you did Kendama before, Vico?
No, he don't know how to do it.
Wait, no. This is an airplane.
Oh, I'm the best
The
one.
airplane.
No, he doesn't even know how to do it.
Oh, hold up.
He's lying. That ain't no airplane. Watch out for the car.
Straight from USC grounds. That's PJ with the Kendama. Peace out.